Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have two really cute styles that I'm going to be showing you guys today. But first things first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and turn on that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm going to be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream and the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. As you can see, I did take a little bit of oil and put on my fingers so that I could undo my twist and avoid having any extra frizz. Now I will say, as I've said in previous videos when I've used these two products together to do styles, these products do a really good job of eliminating that frizz, so I really don't have to worry about it. But the oil just gives me that added protection and then adds just a little bit more shine to my hair. So as I'm taking down my twist, as you can see, my twists are coming apart very easy. These products, as I've said before, they work really well together. It's really easy for me to take my twist apart. I'm just being careful towards the ends because that's where I tend to get the most frizz a lot of times. So I'm going to continue doing that. Next up, I'm taking my Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream and I am just going to section off this front section of my hair and clip my hair in the back. So I'm going to take a little bit of that product and just apply it to those sections in the front of my hair, and then I am going to twist my hair all the way down. Now these two twists are going to guide the next two styles that I do. So just twisting this down. And once I get to the end of my hair, I'm just going to give my hair a little twirl with some more product. And then I'm going to go ahead and move to the other side of my hair. Alright guys, so now that I have my hair all twisted up, I am going to go ahead and part my hair straight back, and I'm going to have two low ponytails. So really easy. This is more of like a youthful style. I know sometimes, you know, us adults, we don't like to wear these type of styles, but hey, listen, this style is cute. And if it's something I want to wear, I'm going to wear it. So as you can see, the curls are popping, and I'm just adding a little bit more of that Curly Magic Curl Stimulator onto my hair to attack some of those little flyaways I have on my hair. And then I'm going to take my brush and brush my edges back just to smooth everything out. I have these really cute clips here that I'm going to add to my hair just to add this style a little bit more pizzazz. Alright guys, so this is this style, and now I'm going to move on to showing you guys the next one. Alright guys, so I am taking my comb pick and I am just picking out my hair just to fluff it up a little bit, because I am going to be putting my curls up into a high puff, and this high puff is going to be different than like your normal high puff because my curls are a little bit longer, so they're going to droop over a little bit, but it works for this style. So as you can see, I'm taking some of that Curly Magic Curl Stimulator again just so I can use it to slick my hair back. It does such a good job of doing that. Taking my soft bristle brush and brushing that product in and smoothing my hair out, especially towards the edges, because I want this style to be just clean and sleek. As you can see, I am tying my hair up with a pantyhose. Don't laugh, it works. So this is a pantyhose like cut at the knee, so kind of like a knee high, and it just works with getting my puffs with the tightness that I like. And I'm just taking my pick, picking out my puff a little bit, It's just falling perfectly, and that is the style, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.